So let me show you how to use voice dictation inside of Claude Code. So this is basically you're able to speak into Claude Code, and instead of typing, you could just speak right into it. So here we are already in our Visual Studio Code. Let's come to the Claude Code chat and just type in /voice. Hit enter. And then you'll see voice mode enabled. You can just hold this space to record. So for example, I will hold this space bar and then I can just speak right into it and then it will translate into text. So that's option number one, but I really don't like this option because I find it to be slow and also not as accurate. What I personally use, and I think it's a better option, is something called Wispr Flow. This is the website, and I will also link it in the description down below. And from my experience, this is the best voice-to-text AI that I've used. And the reason why you want to use a dictation tool is because you could typically speak much faster than you could type, like 3 to 4 times faster. So this would definitely increase your productivity. So to use it, you can just download it for your operating system. So I use a Mac, so I would just click on download for Mac OS, go through the setup, and when you're done, you can just come back to Visual Studio Code. So let me open up another Claude Code chat, click on this icon here. So how to use it is really simple. You just come here to the chat and click on the function key. You can hold it and then you can speak right into it. And then you can see that it's like activated here on the bottom. And then you can just speak right into it and then it will record and then paste the text right here when you finish. So I find it to be a way better option. It's way faster, it's way more accurate. So this is the one that I prefer. And if you have a longer prompt, you can also like double tap on the function key and then it will be activated and you can just speak right into it. Give you a prompt and then it will automatically record what you're saying. And when you're done, just click on the function key again and then it will paste it directly into the chat. So this is definitely a better option. So this is what I found to be the best way to use the AI voice dictation inside of Claude Code.